Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Max 1 by Nike in the King's Day Cocoa colorway. These were released back on the 22nd of April 2025 for the retail price of £165 here in the UK. It comes in a brown box with Nike Air Max branding in a bright orange. Opening up the box comes with shoes wrapped in white paper. An extra set of brown laces were a nice touch, but as much as I like the packaging, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Released to celebrate Koningsdag, sorry I am butchering the pronunciation, which is the birthday of the king in the Netherlands. King's Day is a vibrant celebration of Dutch culture and the monarchy, marked by orange attire, flea markets and festivals. I was lucky enough to experience King's Day back in 2022 and I had a blast. This Air Max 1 King's Day has a Strike King design, pun intended, featuring a bold peachy orange mesh upper with cocoa brown leather overlays. Amber brown canvas hits and wood grain inspired overlays that ripples around the orange Nike Air branding at the heel. A vibrant bright mandarin tumbled leather swoosh can be seen on both sides of the mid panel, and a mini swoosh is also embroidered at the toe. What's cool is tucked away discreetly under the mesh tongue tag is a velcro stash pocket, a nice nod to Amsterdam's cafe scene, if you know what I mean. Sorry for the lack of on feet, I didn't grab my size, but I'll stick to the usual Air Max 1 size, which for me is about half a size up, because they're quite narrow at the toe box. The details and materials down to the leather lining just scream premium. Definitely one of the best sneaker releases of 2025 so far. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment orange to show me you enjoyed this video to the end. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.